I'm disappointed in myself. I had to unbox all this crap and deleted the video, so I am not gonna re-unbox it, but I'll just show you it anyway because it's so beautiful. Today we're doing a beautiful Kogan wine cooler, mini fridge, whatever the hell you want to call it. So let's open this bitch. So the cable is about 1 meter. Looks like this. Beauty. You can open it, grab out your cool beverage, which is healthy water. We want this healthy water. The drawers are removable, so you can take them out. It's got this nice glass door. It's got, like, you know, the temperature up and down and the light switch and the logo down there. Either from the side, the top, wherever you want to look from it. From what angle? I'll plug it in. Oh, beautiful beep sound. That's how loud it is. If you can hear it, that's the back, and that's from the front. So it's pretty quiet. There's like that logo having a spaz on camera for some reason. Here's like, it can go all the way down to 7, I think it's degrees, and it can go all the way up to 18. Oh wait, yeah, up to 18. And here's light on. You can see the light up there, and light off. You can go like, store your water bottle in there. Shut it. Yes, let's go. There's the hinge. It was like 157 New Zealand dollars. Don't know about any other country because I can't be bothered doing the maths. So that'd be beautiful if you could. And then there's the box, the website, www.kogan.com. And I'm disappointed because I unboxed it. Here's a beautiful knife I unboxed it with. I was like, opened it and then deleted the footage because I am so smart. Okay, so there's a mini fridge. See you later, children. I know you want to watch more of my beautiful content, so watch one of my other videos, like this one, imaginary beauty piece right here. This is a piece of artwork. It's beauty, you should watch it. And there might be one here as well in my channel here. So you should click that one, subscribe, and then watch this beauty masterpiece and this beauty masterpiece. Okay, see ya, children.